What's up guys, how do you install a CPU processor from SLpreme? Well, you need one of these, a cooler, and you read your manual on how to install a cooler. Most of the time you want to put this bracket underneath the motherboard. So let's pick up the motherboard. This one already had one that I put in there before, so that's all good, but you might have to do it by yourself. So make sure all the things line up in the right spot and then you should be good. And then next, you want to get your bracket open. Just kind of lift it up like that. And then grab your CPU. Now first, you gotta check where the triangle's at. Okay, it's facing there. Alright. Go get your CPU. Okay, you see the triangle? Make it point the same way. Where is it? So yeah, see the triangles match up. I'm gonna need to put this back down, but there you see the triangle? Okay, there. Okay, I'm gonna have to put down the camera real quick. Okay, so now it's lined up. Make sure there's no grease marks on your processor. I think I see something's on it. Not recommended, but wipe it against your shirt. That seems pretty good. Alright, just want to gently put it on there. I almost put it in the wrong way. Alright, just give it a little tap. There, it should be locked in. Now gently put this back down. Push it back, forward, and back in. There you go.